Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points and then where it ultimately closed on the day, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, it all revolves around an area on the chart, and that's down here at 24 cents. Why is 24 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, so a bounce, if it's actually a bounce, is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, it's going to make progress forward. You know, that's what's going to happen, right? That's what bounces do. They make progress forward. They don't go back to where they were. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 24 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back here a little bit. Not saying it will, but just for example's sake, bounces around and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 24 cents. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's all about that purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, this purple line will continue to move its way downwards. So that'll be the next big test for the price. But in my opinion, top priority right now is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. It's all about building some higher bases, going through healthy consolidation, and just building upon this momentum. So we'll see what the bulls can do and see how all this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.